As a seller, your biggest fear is not having your home sell after you accept the contract. But you chose the offer to buy your home by which was the strongest based on how much the buyers wanted to pay for your home. But doesn't that mean the buyer can afford it more than the others? They must be really well qualified, right? Your agent called the lender and verified the pre-qualification letter was good, correct? And you hired an agent to protect you in the selling process and your interests, right? But did you use someone to protect you against a buyer's poor performance? So do you know or can you imagine that sinking feeling in the pit of your stomach as you order moving trucks and start to look for your new home? But as you do so, you start to wonder how your buyer's loan is doing before you spend any more money. After all, you fixed everything on the home inspection for them. It's just days from closing. Why aren't the seller documents for you to sign at title yet? Why isn't the lender calling your agent back? Why can't you call the buyers and check in with them? You met them at the beginning. They seemed so nice. What's going on? No one can seem to give you a straight answer. Is your home going to close? Oh no, you have to sign on your new home for your family to move into, and still no word from the buyers closing on your home. What do you do now? You have a new job to start, a new house to move into, kids to move into another school district. What do you do? If the house goes back on the market, it took weeks to sell this one. Who's going to pay for both mortgages? The panic is now officially set in. If you've ever been in this situation, you know how painful it is. If you haven't had this happen to you, you probably know someone it has happened to. The good news is that the stress and drama involved in having financing involved with your home's purchase can now be eradicated by you encouraging all offers presented on your home to be handled by a PYT Certified Lender. Why? Protect Your Transaction is a quality assurance program adopted by qualified and licensed mortgage lenders. PYT provides buyers and sellers with a financial assurance of lender performance far exceeding the industry norms. PYT is helping raise the lender's bar one loan at a time. In short, the gold standard of loan commitments. And what does that mean to you and your family and your agent? Peace of mind. PYT lenders will only issue PYT loan commitments after fully underwriting the buyer. Not pre-qualified, but approved. PYT lenders commit to issuing a PYT underwriting decision in just 15 calendar days, often beating the time to complete the home inspection. PYT lenders then issue a loan commitment that isn't the industry norm of the lender pulling a credit and pay stub, but a fully underwritten, verified, and double-checked loan commitment. The buyer is given a certificate of assurance that should the PYT lender fail to perform, the PYT lender will write a $10,000 check. That's right, if a PYT certified lender fails to perform after issuing their loan commitment, $10,000. What is better? Often buyers will assign their PYT benefit to the escrow in order for you to get paid if the lender fails. Why would you ever accept an offer again without a PYT loan commitment? Ever heard of a lender putting their money where their mouth is like this before? The best is that instead of you relying on what the buyer says, use the PYT application number to see the current status of potential buyer's PYT application. Just visit www.protectyourtransaction and use the PYT application number to get real-time status of buyer application. You're now in supreme control. That's an industry first for sellers. You have enough things to worry about selling your home. Don't let buyer fallout be one of them. Get control from the very beginning. Insist on using a PYT certified lender to work with all buyers who want to make an offer on your home. Feel free to call us or visit our website at www.protectyourtransaction.com to find out further how using a PYT certified lender will help you on the sale of your home and even on the purchase of your next home. You and your agent will be glad you got Protect Your Transaction involved, the gold standard of loan commitments. After all, it's your transaction. Make sure it's protected. For more information, feel free to ask questions at 866-600-3700